Welcome to Prestone's Car Care Series. I'm Gabby.
And I'm Kent.
And we're here to teach you how to keep your car in tip-top shape with some simple and useful tips.
Now, after you have finished flushing out the contaminated coolant, the next thing we have to do is check up on the cooling system of your car.
Yes, we have to make sure no contaminated coolant is left and that there are no cracks on the cooling system hoses. Kent will demonstrate further.
Thank you, Gabby. Now, there are several ways of cleaning your coolant reservoir. One way is to use the manual siphon pump to extract any residue coolant. Ideally, after doing this, your coolant reservoir should be clean. However, if you find metal flakes or oily substances in the drain coolant that you just collected, we would recommend that you have your system checked by a mechanic. Now, once you have fully drained your reservoir, reattach your radiator drain plug. The next step is flush out the cooling system with the tap water. For an even more thorough cleaning process, pour 1 bottle of Prestone Radiator Flush with the water inside the radiator. By doing this, you will be able to flush out rust deposits and oily residue in your cooling system. Now, for radiators bigger than 12 liters, use 2 bottles of Prestone Radiator Flush. Run your engine for 10 minutes. This will allow it to reach its regular operating temperature. When the engine's cooling fan turns on, this means water is now circulating through the engine, diluting the remaining coolant. Turn off your engine and let it cool off, and repeat the draining process by opening the fluid reservoir. Drain out the remaining tap water and radiator flush solution. And that's it! You've just cleared your cooling system of contaminated coolant. And when it's time to finally refill your radiator with coolant, Prestone gives you 2 ways. With Prestone Coolant Concentrate mixed with distilled water, and Prestone ready-to-use coolant that gives you the added convenience of a pre-diluted blend that you can instantly top up into your radiator. We will tackle the refilling process, checking for fluid contamination, and how to test their coolant through these other Prestone car care videos. So guys, do check them out. Gabby.
Thanks, Ken. For more information, follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/PrestonePhilippines.
And don't forget to check your car manual to know when to change your coolant. It's easy.
So you can avoid costly repairs by preventing overheating, rust, corrosion, and damage to your cooling system.
So, always remember,
Protect it, Prestone it!